you have been hurt by church, there are some few things that I have actually studied. If you have been hurt by church, I just want you to do these few things. Go to God in prayer. Get into God's word. Get into His word so that you can get to understand His word better. What is He actually saying about this position that I am in? And actually, the good thing with the Bible is that when you get to look at all these characters, you will actually find yourself in one or two of those characters. You get to see people like Job. This is someone who was so righteous, who was doing everything just to please God. Everything about his life was righteous, but he was still hurt. He was still hurt. God himself allowed Satan to tempt him. And he was in a temptation. He became sick. The friends around